Tired of standard insert bits that break and bend? Hit back with Impact X. Impact X is a new line of insert bits and fastening accessories engineered to stand up to the extreme power of hard-hitting, high-torque drills and impact drivers. Each Impact X bit is equipped with 3 features: precision machined tips, not forged, for superior fitment and reduced cam out; performance optimized S2 steel for extended life; and each bit goes through a calibrated heat treating process for added durability. Impact X has a wide selection of bits and fastening accessories.
I like them. They work very well. They last all day. They're very durable. The screw fit very well into the bit. They drove in, and the lifespan on it was very good. Definitely, I would recommend this to all my friends and all my coworkers.
Long reach bit makes me utilize my tool differently, so I can adjust towards my project and actually see more of what's going on instead of having my drill real close, so I enjoyed it.
Trouble finding a place to put your bits away safely and securely? No problem. Makita has created a new Expand storage system that keeps everything organized and within reach. With a store-all cylinder can in the spine of the case, this system is efficient and a must-have for HVAC, electricians, woodworkers, remodelers, and any pro contractor who requires a best-in-class engineered impact bit set.
Archon's new tablet computer stand is a great accessory for lightweight tablet computers such as the Apple iPad. The compact design is 7 inches long by 1 inch high and 1 inch wide in the collapsed position. It's lightweight at just under 3 ounces and can fit in any backpack, briefcase, or even in your pocket. The bottom of the stand has non-skid neoprene material that will keep the stand in place on any flat surface such as a desktop, a nightstand, or even a fold-down tray on an airplane. The pivot points on the stand allow you to position your tablet for just the right viewing angle, regardless of what task you're doing. Here we'll put the Apple iPad in the portrait position. We can quickly go to landscape, and we can angle this for typing or for reading. Archon's new tablet computer stand is now available.
This video is brought to you by Add-A-Lock, the portable door lock. Take it with you when you travel for additional safety and security while in your room, wherever you stay. Are you planning a trip? Is it for business or a vacation? Will you be traveling alone or taking the family? Have you booked a hotel or are you renting a room, a house, or a cottage? No matter where you are staying, you need to think about your safety and privacy. And that is what the Add-A-Lock portable door lock is for. Have you booked to stay in a hotel or a motel? Then you know that the cleaning staff, their supervisors, security, management, staff at the front desk, and many others could get into your room. Whenever you travel and wherever you stay, take the Add-A-Lock portable door lock with you. It's the best portable door lock, installs in seconds, and gives you additional security and privacy while in your room. Not staying in a hotel? Did you book online to rent a room in a private home? Or did you rent a house? Then ask yourself again, what do I know about the person I will be sharing this home with? Who has a key to this house? Some people do. The owner, family members, previous renters, a neighbor, and others. Plan ahead and give yourself and your family the additional safety, security, and privacy when you travel. Take the Add-A-Lock portable door lock with you. Remember to always ask yourself, who else could have a key or access to this door?
Stanley Laser products provide precise solutions for common leveling and alignment applications. The Stanley Cubics projects bright horizontal and vertical lines onto flat surfaces, providing users with simple, easy alignment and leveling for projects such as installing shelving and tile. A locking pendulum allows users to set angled lines for railing and banister layout. The Stanley Cross 90 has all the features of a cross-line laser with a vertical line at a 90-degree angle from the cross lines. The vertical line provides an additional reference point for projects such as cabinet installation and laying out wall partitions. The Cross 90 also contains a locking pendulum for setting angled lines. Overmolded grips provide comfort and control. The Stanley SPL3 is a 3-beam spot laser, projecting beams up, down, and horizontal. The SPL3 emits 3 bright, self-leveling beams to give accurate plumb and horizontal point transfer. A raised down beam allows for spot visibility and alignment for wall track layout. A bi-material case provides grip and user comfort. All 3 units feature a locking pendulum to help prevent damage to internal components. All 3 units are compatible with the Stanley QuickLink system. The QuickLink allows users to mount the unit through multiple slots, and a curved clamp easily secures to many surfaces. Regardless of the application, Stanley has the right